Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Boult Audio Thunder headphone. And we're looking at the front side of the packaging where we see the imagery of the product and a couple of key features that they'd like to highlight. You can see that at the top. So there's an emphasis on bass, which is why they've put that extra bass marker over there. It's got a built-in microphone. Then there's a warranty period, which you should always check the Amazon page for extra details. And lastly, they have built-in micro woofers, which again contributes towards the extra bass. There is nothing aside from branding on the other sides, and on the back side of the packaging, you can see clearly what the product actually looks like, and you have some contact information for the brand. And that's it for the external packaging. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. First up, you have the user manual, which you should always go through to understand exactly what are the parameters of your device and how you can go about using it properly. Then you have a little note regarding the warranty. Again, register the product for your warranty as well as refer to the official page on Amazon to understand exactly what the terms are for the device and what all is covered. Coming to the accessories, you have one cable. This is the 3.5mm audio jack. On the connectors, you can see it's not gold plated, and this is a TRS, so that's tip ring sleeve. This thing's roughly a meter long. And then you have a charging cable. It uses a micro USB interface on one end and a USB type A port on the other. This would be about 40 to 45 centimeters long. And lastly, we have the headphones themselves. So it's got an adjustable headband. You can see it extends on both ends. It's primarily made out of plastic, and it has cushion foams on both ear cups. There's also a bit of cushioning on the headband as well. Coming to the controls, you have couple of buttons on the right cup. So there's one for increasing the volume, reducing the volume, and the middle button for play, pause, or to power the device on or off. A little lower, you can find an LED indicator for different functions, and that is followed by the port for your charging. 3.5mm audio jack. There's a little hole for the microphone, and that's about it. This thing does not tilt or pivot, but there is some amount of adjustment in the form of the extensible headbands. That's it for the unboxing of the Boult Audio Thunder. Thank you for watching.